Hey everybody, I had a question about how to make matrices of different sizes in Newton, and I thought that was a great question because I actually wasn't sure of the answer, so I had to go look around a little bit and try some things. First of all, your matrix tool, your matrix option is under this drop-down menu. Notice you have lots of different options down here to choose from, so you can use any of these things you might find yourself needing. We'll need sets maybe later and different grouping centers or symbols, but right now you need a matrix tool, and that brings up these options over here. So how I found they've got default 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 3 by 3, but what if you need something else? For instance, these are 2 rows by 3 columns. Like, how are we going to create one like that? And so the way I found to do it is if you choose the single, or I think you can actually start with any of these. What you can do is use these two tabs over here. Notice this one says insert column shift plus space, or insert row shift plus enter. So they tell you how to do those with your keyboard, or you can also just click this. So if I want to add a column, I can just click that, and now it's added a second column. So in this one I would want 3 columns, so I could do that. And then I also would want to add one more row. And now I have my 2 rows by 3 column template, and I could go in and I could fill this in with the correct values for this subtraction problem. So it was a really good question that I wanted to share that with everybody.